In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer dollars to Nigeria Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money from the United States in USD and have it arrive in a Nigerian bank account in Naira quickly and confidently. First, open your Sendwave app. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so the app can securely access your saved recipients and payment methods. Once you land on the dashboard, you're ready to start sending money. Tap on the recipient section to set up who you're sending to. Change the recipient's country to Nigeria so the app knows the transfer is headed there and can show you Naira delivery. Next, select the payment method for how the recipient will receive funds. Choose bank transfer to deposit the money straight into their Nigerian bank account. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank records to avoid delays. Then type in their mobile number and retype the number to confirm it matches. Double check this carefully. It's used for notifications and can help resolve issues if the bank needs to verify details. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the recipient's information. Now click Continue to Send to move into the payment flow. Choose your payment method for funding the transfer on your side, such as a card or another option available in your app. Keep in mind that fees and limits can vary by method, so pick what suits you best. Enter the amount you want to send in dollars. Click Continue to Send to preview the transfer details. You can send USD from the USA to Nigeria, and Sendwave automatically converts USD to Naira for you. Before you commit, you'll see the live exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the exact Naira amount the recipient will get. Take a moment to review the rate and the delivery estimate so there are no surprises. When you're satisfied, click Confirm Transfer. The app will process your payment and initiate the bank deposit in Nigeria. Your recipient will receive Naira in their Nigerian bank account, and both of you may get notifications when the transfer completes. Most transfers arrive quickly, but timing can vary by bank and network conditions. That's it. You opened the app, logged in, set Nigeria as the destination, chose bank transfer, entered and saved the recipient's details, selected how to pay, entered the amount, reviewed the exchange rate, and confirmed. Follow these steps each time, and you'll be sending dollars to Nigeria with confidence using Sendwave.